Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to accomplish this DIY room makeover. Very inexpensive. It's one person accomplished, simple, easy. If you're interested, please continue watching. And before we get started, please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you join the BBS family. Thank you so much. So I'm super excited. I have started on my beauty room. Now I have the luxury of actually having two rooms. One for my beauty studio and then another one for me, And I'll keep you all posted because I'm geeked up. I just painted one of the rooms and it's amazing. Just left Ikea and we have packages. So I am so excited. So after coming back from Ikea, I did everything myself. I feel really proud, but I was so clueless on how to place them on the wall. I didn't know if I wanted to put them together to make one bigger shelf or spread them out. But after asking friends and family, I decided to just spread them out on the wall and add something, an accent in between. And you'll see that as well. So check it out. Thanks to my amazing husband for putting this light fixture up. I would have never gotten it up by myself. It was crazy stressful. So right here is where I'm showing you how to adjust the lights. I searched and researched all over. I could not find how to do it. You literally have to push that up and pull the screen at the same time. So just be aware if you're looking to purchase this. It's completely beautiful though. It is like everything, and it set my room. It took it 100. It's beautiful. It gets a 10 from me, but assembling, it was crazy. I just wouldn't be able to do it. I was upset. Okay, I was upset. These lights, this light is amazing. Period. It's just so soft and pretty. It actually is brighter than it looks. It's gorgeous. I love it. This is one of the easiest DIY projects I had, and that's the picture frames. So I purchased the picture frames from Dollar Tree, obviously for $1. I found these pictures from Pinterest and I printed them off. Now at the time I did not have colored ink, so I just used black and white, and I found images that worked for black and white. But you can choose any colors that you want to go with your decor, but they're going to be super easy and so beautiful. So I did not go out and get any expensive things for my shelves. I found things that I had already around the house, and I'll let you know if I recently purchased some things, but that's my eyeshadow palette. I purchased of course, the sponges and the candles. I purchased them in the past. This is the setup of the picture frames, and I purchased those letters from Hobby Lobby. I love that quote. Yes, don't doubt yourself, because it's a lot of people afraid of your potential, period. And so, yes, and I had to splash some Chanel in there. But most of these items came from my house. I didn't have to purchase anything else, anything new. And my shoes hurt so bad. I don't think I'll ever wear them again, but they look good on the shelf. I actually got that idea from Ikea. When I went into Ikea, they have the shelves up and they had some shoes up there. And I'm like, okay, perfect. I can do that. Okay, and so here is just some candles and fragrance And yeah, that's pretty much it. I also have that that plant from Ikea as well. Pretty much everything I already had around the house, so I didn't have to spend a lot on filling up my shelves. So that was very, very helpful. I found this here from Marshall's. It was so cute. I just had to pick it up. I'm not sure what I'll do with it, but I had to pick it up. It was just too cute. Let's get into this DIY free Chanel and Louis Vuitton book. Found the covers on Pinterest and I printed them off and covered the book with them. Pretty simple, free. So I purchased the vases from Hobby Lobby and I spray painted and added plants inside. I am 100% proud of myself. This new room space makes me so motivated to film, work, do everything. Now that I'm at home, I need a space that motivates me and keeps me proactive. So this room is everything. I gain so many compliments when people walk in and see everything that I've done to it. So I'm excited. I hope you all like. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to let me know. Comment below. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to add some before and after pictures just to let you see after the room is completely clean how it looks.